Okay, here we are. First mock-up of the first mechanism. It would appear that the floss is not tight enough when it comes down to cut it. Just is not quite tight enough or taut enough. Also, the hot dog has been sitting out for a while and is now warm and squishy. And I think that's actually affecting how effective the floss is. Either way, I think I'm gonna have to go with a wire, like a permanent wire instead of a reusable pack of floss. Either way, I'm actually pretty happy. Found a flexible electrical conduit at Home Depot that can squeeze. So once the hot dog is cut, here I'll show you on this side. I already cut. I've already cut the hot dog with the floss once. So once the hot dog is cut, a spring like back here will go like this, and it will squeeze the hot dog open. And the powder hopefully will make it in there. I don't know, I'm not sure how I feel about it being sliced all the way through. I think it'll work, but I'm happy that I found a flexible container for my hot dog pieces. Anyway, keep working on it. First part is mostly done. Learned a lot.